Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Is your Windows 10 or 11 PC feeling sluggish with high memory usage, causing lags, freezes, or slow app openings? In this video, I'll show you simple steps to reduce RAM usage and speed things up, freeing up resources on your system. By the end, you'll see a noticeable difference. Let's dive in and optimize your setup. To begin with one of the simplest fixes, let's stop programs from starting automatically when you boot up. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Switch to the Startup tab. Look through the list, right-click on apps you don't need right away, like media players or chat tools, and select Disable. This can quickly free up several hundred megabytes of RAM and make your startup faster without affecting how you use those apps later. Next, prevent certain apps from running in the background altogether. Open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Find an app that's not essential, like a rarely used game or utility. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll to Background Apps Permissions, open the drop-down, and select Never. Repeat for a few more if needed. This stops them from consuming memory when you're not actively using them. Now, let's turn off visual effects for better performance. These animations and shadows make Windows look polished, but can add to memory load, especially on older hardware. Open Settings again. Go to System, then click About at the bottom. Under Related Settings, select Advanced System Settings. In the Performance section, click Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance to disable all effects at once. If you want to keep some, check options like Animate Controls and Elements inside Windows, Show Shadows under Windows, and Smooth Edges of screen fonts. Click Apply. This change can reduce RAM usage instantly while keeping your interface functional. Another effective step is to limit unnecessary background services. Windows runs Mini by default, but some might not be needed for your daily use. Press Windows key plus R to open Run. Type services.msc and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll through and find ones you can safely disable. For example, if you don't have a printer, right-click Print Spooler, select Properties, set Startup Type to Disabled, and click Stop if it's running. If you're on an SSD drive, consider disabling SysMain or Superfetch, as it preloads apps but isn't as useful on faster storage. Right-click, Properties, set to Disabled. Only change services you're confident about. Research any you're unsure of to avoid issues with features you might need later. This can free up additional memory without much effort. Don't forget to clear temporary files, which build up over time and can indirectly contribute to higher memory demands. Press Windows key plus R again. Type temp and press Enter. Select all files in the folder, Ctrl plus A, and delete them. If some won't delete, skip them as they're in use. Then, open Run once more. Type %temp% and hit Enter. Delete everything there too. This clears out clutter, potentially easing overall system pressure and giving a slight boost to available RAM. For web browsing, which often uses a lot of memory, enable your browser's efficiency features. In Chrome, for instance, click the three dots in the top right. Go to More Tools, then Performance. Turn on Memory Saver to put inactive tabs to sleep. Similar options exist in other browsers like Edge or Firefox. Check their settings for tab management or efficiency modes. This can reclaim hundreds of megabytes if you keep many tabs open. To see the impact, open Task Manager again and check the Memory tab. Compare it to before. You might notice usage drop from near full to half or less with smoother performance. That's the goal, your PC running efficiently without the lags. Before we wrap up, here are 3 extra tips to keep RAM usage in check long-term. Upgrade if possible. Adding more RAM is affordable and transformative for older systems. Third, keep Windows updated. Search for Windows Update in Settings and install the latest. They often include memory optimizations. These habits will help sustain the improvements. If any step doesn't work as expected, try restarting your PC or searching for your specific error online. That's all for fixing high memory usage in Windows 10 or 11. Simple changes for big results. Drop a comment on what freed up the most for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay passionate about tech.